Hi band potatoes. We're going to be assembling a trombone today. It's assemble and set. So get your posture. Whatever you do, rinse out your mouth first. Always before you play. Your trombone's going to be coming in 3 parts. The bell, the slide, woo, woo, and the mouthpiece. Notice my hand is holding this. That's because you never want to let it go, because if it's done right, this will just fall. So there's a lock, but never, ever, ever trust the lock, because that could cost you lots of money and damage. So you're going to take the mouthpiece and you're going to tip it in. It's going to go on the taller part. No, it's going to go on the shorter part, because if you look at this, that's there. So you've got that, and this key should be on the bottom part. Then you're going to take the bell and tip it on. Tip it on here so that it doesn't get damaged. And then you want to swing this around so that the bell is 1 inch away from the slide, and the bell is on the left of the slide. Okay? Then you tighten this part here. Your thumb goes around the back, 3 fingers in the box, and you point to the ceiling. It's kind of like this. And then your hands down here. This holds the slide. Notice my pinky is protecting the slide from falling. Yes, protection of the instrument at all times. And then it basically goes up like this. And buzz before you play. And if you take a big enough breath the first time, you can go all the way down and come all the way up in one breath. That is the best feature about trombone, is the slide, so make sure you've got that. At the end of your playing, you should always press this key, have it over a cloth, because it's going to catch the condensation that has been going through your instrument, the water, and then, okay? Look up cleaning your instrument and how often to do it, and we'll talk about that later in class, okay? Have a nice weekend. Assemble and set up your instrument, set the posture, set the hold, okay? Thanks. That's the end of day 2 for trombone.